Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Madayaw, mayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Sa iyo ha ba niyo? Kaya mo, di ba? Nga dili ko nag-a-attend ng fun run. Pero tungod kay naamo din tanan, naapod ko din basta Pilipina, ma'am. Guwapa din na. Talang Pilipina din na nga nagtindog. Guwapa na. Sa pananaw sa tibuok kalibutan. For after all, sa Miss Universe, pinakabuok ang ato ang winners. 4. We have 4 winners sa Miss Universe. So undoubtedly, the beauty of the Filipina is global. Mubuon na lang nako ni kay musaka na ang adlaw. Mga daot ang inyong mga kutis. Yes, kung maabtan mo mag-jogging sa kabalo mo unsa kasayo ning inyong event. Unang-una, wala na ako naligo. Pero nag-brush ko nag-brush ko. Wala na ako naligo. Nanimaho pa kong efficacy ikan sa masahe kagabi. Tapos, isa lang kabuok medyas ang ako ang nabira. Ingana ka sa iyo ang inyong event. First off, I'd like to thank the organizers, on any Sunday Riders, and to our partners, the Orangutri Triathlon Team. Congratulations sa inyong tanan mga organizers for keeping the spirit of bringing former President Rodrigo Duterte back home in the Philippines safely. For keeping the spirit alive. Thank you very much. And of course, I would like to thank the participants to this fun run. You are supporting Field of Dreams Davao and Bantay Hayop Davao. Daghang salamat. Tungod kaninyo, masuportahan nato ang mga non-government organizations nga nagasuporta sa mga hayop o mga kabatan-unang lalaki. The fact that you chose to spend your Sunday morning on the Davao Coastal Road is not just for the thrill of the ride, but for something bigger. And we are truly grateful. On behalf of the family, we thank you as well for your prayers and your continued support to former President Rodrigo Duterte. Daghanan nangutana kagabi kung tinuod ba tong nakita siya nga unconscious sa iyahang room, dili to tinuod o walay nahitabo nga ato. In fact, sa pagtawag, natulog siya ato nga panahona and gitawagan siya sa abogado o pangutana siya kung tinuod ba nga nakitaan ka nga unconscious sa imong kwarto, ingon siya wala. And maybe it was just a prank by many of my supporters. So, dili to tinuod. And we hope to hear good news for the public hearing on his on the appeal for his interim release on November 28th. But if not, we will continue to, the family will continue to support him in his stay in The Hague, in the Netherlands, and of course, continue to work with the defense team with regard to his legal case. So, daghan salamat kaninyong tanan. I hope you enjoy your fun run, and don't forget your sunblock and your hydration, your water. Very important. Maayong buntag. Shukran.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, Honorable Sarah Zimmerman Duterte. Ayan po. And our Vice President will do the honor of pushing the button for our 3K runners, ladies and gentlemen.